Right guys, we're back in the car, finally got a break in the weather, so we're heading north towards Geraldton. Ambition is catch anything that floats around in some gutters on the surf, so if you want to check out some beach fishing, then this is going to be the episode for you. Of course, the main focus for me, not necessarily around the fish, is to give the Pen Prevail Apex and Spinfisher long cast another good thrashing, and today probably throw some bigger baits. Taylor, Mulloway, don't know what else, rays, could be anything in these gutters guys, so stick around. Recently we really haven't had the greatest weather. In fact, I really started going a bit stir crazy over the whole not fishing thing. We've got the new Centurion project boat, which has had a whole heap of work to it. Haven't been able to get that out to fish. The wind and that hasn't even suited beach fishing until today. So today is actually really the first break in the weather we've got that could be semi-promising to catching a fish. Even then, we're heading towards Geraldton as mentioned. We've got some massive storm clouds on the horizon up there already because they have a front coming through tonight. So how long we're going to be able to fish for, I don't know. When I say there's a front coming, we are predicted to get a fair whack of rain tonight. We'll stick it out for as long as we can. We may not even be able to get a fish in because the gutters might be too dirty. But look, let's see how we go. 2 weeks of really bad wind and weather usually equals a lot of weed. Anyway, let's get tracking up this highway, because at the moment as I pull out of the house, it actually looks really quite clean down there. And, well, when I say clean, calm. Righto, let's get on the beach. Oh yeah. There we go. What have I summoned into this gutter? That slow take tells me it's definitely a ray. But I could be wrong. But I don't think I am. Ah, well, this is going to be a bit of an arm bender. But rays are all part and parcel of chasing mulloway, I suppose. Yep, just as we thought. A little eagle ray. And I really hope they don't become a pain tonight. Oh. We'll work on getting this in. And then come back. Oh, sorry, go back down. Oh shit! Okay, this is interesting. I've just snapped the rod and we got a fish on. So I'm literally playing this. I'm going to be playing this fish completely off the pen reel. Listen to that. Oh no. I don't really know what's happened there. It's broken in a real weird position. I'd say it's been banged in the back of the ute. So completely my fault. But it's going to be an interesting little session now, trying to get whatever this is in, because we're not going to give up on it. Just dead sticking it. Oh, this is awkward. I can't even play the thing. Oh. whatever it is coming in. So that's a positive. There it goes again. I actually think this might be a fish. That's the worst part about this whole thing. But we'll get it in eventually. Run up the beach a bit. Oh no, not again. Come back. It's definitely an interesting way to fight a fish. I don't even have a bit of the rod to play the bloody thing on. And now that one's getting whacked too. All right, we got it in. Let's go have a look. Bloody shovel nose. Oh no, hold on. Oh God, this is amateur hour at the zoo here. Take that off that. That off that. Right, let's go down for a walk. Oh, there's the pen rod. And there we go. A white spot guitar. An absolute beauty of one too. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this camera down. Get this guy off, get him back in the water, and down to fishing with one rod. Sorry about the dark footage. Whew. Well, wasn't that an interesting one? Full testament to the spin fisher though, putting up with that sort of rough and tumble and still getting the job done. I mean, without having the benefit of using the flex in a rod, that puts the reel under an immense amount of pressure. But what does this prove to you? After looking over that rod carefully, it seems that there was a bit of a whack on it. I don't know what's done it because I'm usually really careful with my rods, but obviously during transit something has fallen on it, or maybe it could have been at home. It might have, I just don't know. But there is a clear little tiny ding in the blank, which is just where it broke. So, good news is, obviously it shows that the tackle is just still right up to the test. The bad news is, obviously I've got to go buy a new rod now, and I need to be more careful because stuff like that should not happen if I was careful enough. So I take full responsibility for my actions. Anyway guys, I think I'm going to pack it up now. After that I'm exhausted, just had enough. It's been super slow tonight, not a great deal of fun, but yeah. Oh mate, we live and learn, Until the next episode guys, I'll catch you later. See you on the next one.